I didn't know you were there. While you're here, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just totally kidding. Okay, so I'm making another video, and today's video is about a couple things. Well, cryptocurrency, because I like making videos about cryptocurrency, but also kind of like saving money or actually getting free stuff, right? So I think they were a good combination of things, and so I decided, hey, dude, put those things together. That'd be a good video, right? Cryptocurrency because I'm into it, and deals because I like getting deals, right? If you were thinking about joining a club or going and spending money on something, wouldn't you want like a coupon or a deal or an offer versus like not having one at all? And so that's why I'm making this video. If you're thinking about using Coinbase, I'll basically leave a referral code pinned in the comments. And so that way, if you're going to actually use Coinbase, then you have $10 sitting there waiting for you once you spend 100. Of course, I'm gonna get $10 too. And so what it'll look like whenever you click on the link is this. Check it out. Hold on. Oh, my dog was barking. I'm like, what's going on? But yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, I like to post videos about cryptocurrency, and Coinbase is a great platform to get started with crypto. I've been using it for a few years now, and I can say it's a really easy to use platform. I use the app. I go online. It's very secure. I have two-factor authentication with it. You can easily buy, sell, store cryptocurrency, not just Bitcoin, but Ethereum, Litecoin, and a number of other ones. It has some cool charts so you can follow the prices and things like that. It's totally secure. I've never had an issue with them. They're a legit way to get into cryptocurrency, and I use that, and I use Binance too, and I use a wallet called Jaxx, Jaxx. But cryptocurrency was where I bought my first Bitcoin. And you link your bank account to it, so you can send crypto back and forth. And I've sold crypto, and the money hits your bank account like in 1 to 2 business days. If you do it during the week, if you do it during the weekends, it might take a little bit longer. But it's a great way to get started with crypto if you're serious about it. The only thing that I will say about Coinbase that you should be mindful of, and that's really any exchange or platform, is the fact that if you use something like Coinbase and you store your crypto on there, you technically you don't own it. Coinbase is like a kind of like a server, I guess you could say, or like a Google of sorts, where they store it for you. And so, things happen, right? And so you ideally want to keep crypto. You want to store it. So with Coinbase, you buy it and you store it in a digital wallet, but you don't own the the private keys. Therefore, you don't really own the crypto. Now you can buy from Coinbase and then send that crypto that you bought, that Bitcoin, to like a digital wallet, a paper wallet. Those little nano ledgers. You could send it to that, and then in that point, in that case, or at that point, it is yours because you've moved it out of Coinbase into whatever wallet. And in order for you to get that wallet, that Bitcoin delivered, once you do, you're gonna get your own private key, and then now it's yours. So yeah, that's the only drawback. Is the fact that Coinbase is holding whatever crypto, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum that you're having, and it's pretty safe. It's pretty secure. Like I said, I have had no issue with them. They've been great. They continue to grow and expand. And so yeah, that was a rant. But again, if you're looking to get into crypto and you're thinking about Coinbase, you're gonna do it anyway, and you wanted to get a deal, help yourself out, help me out. Use my referral link, and we'll both get $10 worth of crypto. Yeah, and that's it. That's the end of my rant. Thank you so much. Peace.